Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Bedia's e-learning class of English of Standard 1. Today we will start our new chapter, which title is The Kite. Children, now let's begin the chapter. Chapter 7, The Kite. Can you see the kite? It always wags its tail and shakes its ears. Children, you must have seen a kite. Children, it always shakes its tail and quiver its ear in the sky. Then it breaks its sting and flies away. It is a naughty kite. Children, and when it gets stuck with tree, it shatters its thread and flies away. It is a wayward kite. Children, now the next paragraph. It sits on the tops of houses and gets stuck in trees. It falls upon ponds or on the grass. And now in second stanza, poet is telling, when the kite flies away or get cut off, it goes and sits on the peak of houses and get fixed in trees or fall into the pond, or you may say in pool or on the grass. Now let's see what poet has told about the kite in the third stanza. It has a snow white face and pink and white ears. It is such a pretty kite. It is made of paper and little bits of string tied together. Children, now in this paragraph, poet says about the looks of the kite. He says that the face of the kite is like snow white and ears are of pink and white in color. He says that the kite looks very attractive and lovely. The kite are made of paper and little bits of thread which are tied together. Children, now in the next paragraph, look at it now. It is stuck on a red roof. The children pull the tail of the kite, but the kite does not move. They try again. Then they bring a ladder. They climb up carefully. Children, now poet says that when the kite get fixed, or you may say get stuck on a red roof, the children wants to get the kite back. So they tug the tail of the kite, but the kite doesn't move from its place. Then the children tried once more, and after trying, they didn't got the kite back. Then after that, they bought a ladder, or you may say a stairway, and they climbed up very carefully on the ladder to get the kite back. Children, now in the last paragraph, let's see what poet is telling about the kite. Just then, the wind lifts the kite and it flies away again. It flies over the field and far, far away. Children, now in this last stanza, poet says that as the children reached near the kite, just then the wind blowed and raised the kite up in the sky, and it flied away again, and it flies over the ground and gone so far, so distant. Children, now it's a homework time. Your homework is that you learn the 12 lines of the poem The Kite. Children, I hope you all have understood the poem well. Thank you. Have a nice day.